Welcome to FleetNet America's Getting Started, how to check the status of your active event. In this module, we will demonstrate how to view your active events first on our website, then using the Live Event Tracker email. From www.fleetnetamerica.com, simply log in and select Active Events on your personalized landing page. On this page, you will see a recap of all your open events. For more details on a specific event, select the Repair Number hyperlink. This page is updated with the latest information we have on your event. If your email is in our system, we can send you a link to our Live Event Tracker, or LET. This link to the dynamic web page provides real-time updates. Your event status will be green, and you have quick access to our team's notes. FleetNet America, leveraging technology to provide state-of-the-art service. Thanks for watching.